Please read question 13. This problem is much easier to solve with the help of a diagram. So if this is what Edna would spend for the month, we know that a third of what she spends is on rent. And then a fifth is smaller than a third, a fifth is on travel. And the rest is other living expenses. So this rest is actually $420. It is in this question as having, and we do have different units. So part of their expenses are expressed as fractions of a whole, and the remaining is expressed as an amount. So we need to see what fraction is this of the whole. So 1/3 is on the rent plus 1/5, which is on the travel. We can use our calculator and we'll get 8/15 on both. So this is 8/15. Therefore, the remaining is 7/15. So 7/15 of her income is 420. We can take two approaches. One is more algebraically and the second one is more intuitively. Let's take the intuitive one first. If 7/15 is 420, then 1/15 of the income will be 420 divided by 7, a seventh of it, right? So it is 60. Therefore, the income will be 60 times 15, which is 900. The most algebraic approach would be if we call the income x, then 7/15 of x, and of represents times, is 420. Now, in order to solve this equation, we can do either divide both sides by 7/15, so we get x equals 420 divided by 7/15. Make sure you put it correctly in your calculator. Or multiply both sides by 15. First, get rid of the denominator. So 7x is 420 times 15. And then divide both sides by 7. So x will be 420 times 15 divided by 7. Both of them give me the same 900. See, essentially, these two are the same, because in order to do that, I will do 420. How do I divide by fractions? Multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction, which is exactly the same as 420 times 15 divided by 7. It's exactly that method. And they are perfectly equivalent with our first, more intuitive method to solve this question. On the next page, you have the marking scheme for this question. Now take some time and try this question.